let's have a donut and celebrate the hens new run.
Okay, here we have the new hens in their new run. This is they look to me to be very happy. I'll just show you a little more clearly. They're in the sun at the moment and they're in some loose earth which they are very keen at scratching and pecking through. So we're quite pleased that they seem to be at home so easily. I'll give you a quick look around the enclosure, the run. We haven't got the new hen house yet, so we've got the old hen house. It's under our pine trees at the bottom, so we're it's quite a different space from where we were before. There's the gate, all nicely preserved in green. That scrambles and some wheelbarrows, and you can be in it, you know. There's the old hen house reassembled, and that's their day shelter over there. And so basically we're just tidying up now and there's still a bit more work to do. We need to put the shed in here to carry the food. But apart from that, we're sort of done here. Okay, that's all for now.